What's up, guys? Now let's review this question copy here. In question 1, they're telling you to define the thrombocytes. Now do not confuse the thrombocytes definition with the blood platelets definition. We're going to say that the thrombocytes are found in the lower vertebrates, such as birds and amphibians, and they appear as larger and spindle-shaped cell with a nucleus. These thrombocytes are believed to serve the same function as blood platelets in mammals, which is the blood coagulation. And also in question 1C, they're telling you to draw with labeling the ciliated simple columnar epithelial tissue. In question 2, the question is, what are the locations of each of the following tissues? Mucoid connective tissue. Now the mucoid connective tissue is found in the umbilical cord. Hyaline cartilage, we said that it is found in the trachea. The apical meristematic tissue is found in the apices or tips of the roots and stems. And finally, the dense regular connective tissue, it is found in tendons. Question 4 is telling you to compare the plasma and lymph. This is a simple question. So we're just going to say that the plasma is the intercellular substance of the blood tissue, and the lymph is the liquid collected from the tissues, and it returns to the bloodstream through the lymphatic vessels. We're just going to compare the components. We said that plasma is composed of 90% water, and the remaining 10% consists of solid substances like proteins, hormones, enzymes, inorganic salts, glucose, etc. Meanwhile, the lymph components are similar to plasma, except that it has a lower protein content. That's what we're going to write down in the paper. And of course, we're going to compare the coagulation speed. So we said that the plasma generally have faster blood clotting or blood coagulation, and the lymph typically is going to have slower blood coagulation or blood clotting. And of course, the clot formed in the plasma is solid, meanwhile the clot formed in lymph is soft. And finally, question 6 is telling you what is the location and the function of the neuroglial cells. And the location, you can say that within the nervous tissue, and the function, support neurons. That's the first function. The second function is to phagocytize the bacteria and cellular debris.